Hi everyone, I'm Casey Callahan, Senior Consultant with Umbrella Consulting. Thanks for joining me for another SYSPRO Quick Tip. In this video, I'll be showing how to add a program to a task list in SYSPRO 8. If you're liking these videos, please be sure to hit the subscribe button or give it a like. The task list in SYSPRO allows for specific programs to be run in a sequence, and this often comes up with either a day-end process, a month-end process, or other times where there might be a sequence of programs to be run, and sometimes in a specific order. In today's example, we'll be adding a new program onto this task list, and this new program will actually be an SRS report. So in our main menu, we have our tasks section here. If this is not showing on your main menu, on the ribbon bar up at the top under Home, you can click on Tasks and it will show up. In this case, I already have a task list here to prepare for month end. So I can click on the New Task button and it will ask me for a task name. So I can enter here, I'll be adding in the AR Credit Management Report. One tidbit of information here is if we are adding in a report to the list in terms of the sequence, it will also sequence by date. So I can leave the date as to current date, but I can also set it to the same date as the other items on the list in order to sequence them appropriately. I can click on this hyperlink here to select program. And when I'm choosing a program, so task lists, we can choose to run either a out-of-box SYSPRO program, any other application outside of SYSPRO, but for today's example, we'll be adding a SYSPRO reporting services or an SRS report. I can click on the magnifying glass or the browse here to open up my list of reports. So I can choose to add an out-of-box standard report or any sort of custom report that I might choose to run. I can choose to add my AR Credit Management Report and click on the select button to save. And then from here, I can save my task onto the list. So this task ended up at the bottom of the list. So if there's a specific stage in your process that you'd like for this new task to be added to, instead of the bottom, you can also use these move task up or move task down buttons. So I'm going to move this AR Credit Management Report to run right after the GL integration steps I have in this list. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there are any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment down below.